What are the three key elements to a happy life? You may be surprised to find that the answer lies in the triad of wealth, health, and relationships. These components are not just independent variables, but rather, they intertwine and amplify each other in remarkable ways. Now, we'll be sharing the story of John, who discovered the transformative power of this trio. Let's dive into the life of John, who found happiness by improving these three key areas of his life. John was once stuck in a dead-end job, living paycheck to paycheck. However, he realized the importance of financial wellness and took the necessary steps to improve his wealth. John started by setting clear financial goals. He then developed a budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, while increasing his income through side hustles and investments. He faced challenges along the way, like resisting the temptation to splurge or dealing with unexpected expenses. But he remained disciplined, committed to his financial journey. Slowly but surely, he built his wealth and improved his quality of life. No longer was he shackled by financial constraints. He could afford better healthcare, pursue hobbies, and even travel the world. The financial stress that once consumed him faded away, replaced by a sense of security and freedom. He had the means to support his loved ones and contribute to his community. With a solid financial foundation, John was able to pursue his dreams and live a life free of financial stress. But wealth alone wasn't enough. John understood the importance of health and made it a priority. A balanced lifestyle became John's mantra. He nurtured his body with wholesome foods, regular exercise, and plenty of rest. His mind, too, wasn't left behind. He cultivated mindfulness, practicing meditation, and engaging in activities that stimulated his intellect. Self-care was no longer an afterthought, but a necessary routine. He pampered himself, took breaks when needed, and learned to listen to his body. The impact was nothing short of remarkable. His sleep improved, his stress levels dropped, and his physical stamina increased. He felt invigorated, alive. John's energy levels and productivity soared, and he felt better than ever. His health truly became his wealth. Lastly, John focused on nurturing his relationships, understanding that meaningful connections are a source of immense joy. He started by improving his communication, listening more and speaking less. He learned to resolve conflicts with empathy and understanding rather than anger. These relationships, once fraught with tension, became sources of comfort and joy. They were a mirror reflecting his growth, a testament to his journey. John's life was transformed by the power trio of wealth, health, and relationships. This is the secret recipe to a happy life. So, what's the secret to a happy life? John's journey tells us that it's all about improving wealth, health, and relationships. Remember, focusing on these three pillars can transform your life. Unlock the profound power of the power trio, and embark on your journey to a life of boundless happiness. The key to your ultimate happiness is in your hands.